Apple just dropped the biggest iOS update in years, iOS 26, introducing the liquid glass revolution. This is a complete redesign. The new look is fresh, futuristic, and unlike anything before. Liquid glass brings translucent, reflective elements everywhere. Think depth, light, and dimension. Every native app, button, and menu has been reimagined with this new aesthetic. It's a system-wide transformation, unifying iOS under one stunning visual philosophy. Apple is setting a new standard for mobile design, and I am so here for it. Let's dive in. The day-to-day iPhone experience is completely transformed with iOS 26. The new notification and control centers feel like pulling a sheet of frosted glass over your content. Notifications now reflect and refract light, adding real depth. Apple's design borrows from other platforms, but with a unique, layered twist. Menus are easier to use one-handed and blend perfectly into the liquid glass theme. Sometimes all these translucent layers can get visually busy, but this bold, all-at-once visual refresh truly makes the iPhone feel brand new. This new design isn't just about making our iPhones look cooler right now. There's a much bigger picture here. It's all about the future. Alan Dye, Apple's VP of Human Interface Design, said liquid glass lays the foundation for new experiences. This design language feels built for augmented reality, with layers, depth, and light that blend digital and real worlds. The liquid glass aesthetic in iOS 26 is a direct sibling to Apple Vision Pro's Vision OS. By getting us used to these glass-like interfaces, Apple is preparing us for AR glasses. This is just the beginning of a whole new chapter for Apple. iOS 26 is a huge deal. It's a statement from Apple. They're not afraid to take big risks and reinvent their most important product. For years, iOS has evolved slowly, but this is a giant leap. The new liquid glass design is beautiful and makes your iPhone feel fresh and exciting again. It touches every corner of the system, creating a unified, immersive experience. It really feels like you're holding a piece of the future. Sure, there are a few things to iron out, but Apple will perfect them by release. The rewards of this new design far outweigh any growing pains. It's preparing us for a future of augmented reality and spatial computing. Apple is setting a new design trend the industry will follow. You should be incredibly excited for iOS 26. When you get this update, it'll feel like a brand new device. I can't wait for all of you to try it.